Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. I'm updating my backup lights on my Silverado. Out here on our property, this time of year it's getting dark sooner and sooner. Pretty soon, by it seems like 4:30, 5 o'clock, it'll be pitch black out. And we don't have any ambient light around here, especially if it's overcast, there's nothing. And you saw when I had their quarter panel repaired, I did that in the evening. So hopefully these bulbs will help solve that. They're supposedly super bright. They're like the projection style. Let me open them up and show you. So it's just, so like that's part of it. Ooh. Well, anyway, so I'm kind of hoping these will be crazy bright again, and apparently Honey likes them. So let's change them out real quick. These are super easy to change. I wish all cars were like this. So I have an older version of the projector bulb, but the one side's been out. That one still works. I'll probably drop it into a trailer or something like that. So it is really bright. So that's really all it is to change the bulbs. It's not. So just make sure you line your pins back up on the actual plastic lens. Alright, so that's easy. Let me go put it in reverse and see if you guys can see it. Well, from inside I could tell that it was working. So I'm going to get the other side changed out. Uh-oh, that's not good. Well, looks like it was broken, and then somebody tried gluing it. Huh. Oh well. We'll figure it out, but let's change our bulb. So this is what happened to it. But this is the side of the truck that got smashed. But let's take this off. pliers. So that's kind of weird. This video just started off as just changing the light bulb. Now it's how to fix your tail light. Alright, so right here is where it looks like the body shop glued it. Yeah, honey? Is this where they glued it? So let's take off. Yeah, so that was gonna fail the first time. So that fits in real nice. So we are going to try something a little different here. Alright, so this is something I've never tried. My dad gave me this to fix something else and I never got around to it. So it looks like you glue the two surfaces and then you put the blue light and it turns on the blue light and it cures it. And it's supposedly 2,000 pound bonding strength. So we're gonna give it a shot. So let me just grab something and clean this up. So my go-to solvent is xylene. It doesn't have, it cleans better and it doesn't have as many oils in it as like paint thinner and stuff. So for cleaning surfaces, I like using this and it dries really fast. So I didn't know I wanted to upgrade to LED lights if this stays broken. But, see what I mean? Like I just wiped it off. Now our two surfaces will be nice and clean. Let me shut that before I spill it. Alright, the light works. So we're putting two objects together, so we just put the glue on one side and then put those two objects together, press firmly, and turn on the blue light. And just hold the blue light by for 5 seconds, and when I'm done, turn off the light and put the cap back on. That's as good as it gets. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it go for a few minutes and see what happens. So I'm gonna dribble some more along the inside seam and I'm just gonna hold it inside. Yeah, we're just gonna see. I don't know. I'm gonna call that fixed. Like, let me see if I can show you. So right where that clean line is, that is where I glued that piece back on. To me, that is wild. Yeah. So I'm gonna, for now, call it a win. Put this back on before I make a bigger mess. Well, excuse me. That's all rusty, so I'm going to take a wire brush to that, and might as well do the other one. But yeah, I don't not see why this will not hold. It's a pretty nice surface in there. Yeah? Alright, let me go clean that up and we'll put this back together. Alright, so I am still very happy with that. So that probably saved us a good few bucks around here. Put the one in that we know works. Alright, so matches the tailgate liner. So this is no more than 5 minutes of me fixing it with this new fiber fix. Alright, let me fire it up and make sure that the backup light works. Alright, I only intended on showing you this light bulb from Amazon, and I ended up getting to show you this, and this seemed to work. I'm gonna call it a win for now. Now I'm done here, but tonight, like I said, Honey and I are gonna come outside and we'll get some footage of really how bright the new bulbs are. Well, I think I'm going to end up keeping this stuff around. Huh. Fiber fix. Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. Following up, that is the new backup lights. Look at everything I can see. It is, turn that off. Look at that. That's just from the backup lights. Ooh, let me do it again. See? That's all that is. So I have the LED light bar across the back, and then 2 of the super bright backup lights. I'll put the link to it at the bottom in the description, but I'm gonna head inside because it's light out.